Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer on Mortal Kombat. Multiplayer mode in Mortal Kombat lets you fight real players online or locally, testing your skills beyond AI opponents. So first of all, launch open the Mortal Kombat game on your device and then wait for the main menu to load completely. Once you're inside the main menu homepage, go ahead and tap on the multiplayer mode from the top of the screen. After you tap on multiplayer, go ahead and enter a username for yourself and then click on accept. After you do that, you need to go ahead and go through the information how you can play in multiplayer. After you are done with the information, click on the arrow button at the top in order to select a realm. After choosing a realm, tap on select realm at the bottom. Remember, you can choose the realm only once a season. Now go ahead and find battle mode. Whether you would like to play quick battle, clash towers or survivors, choose anyone from the menu and go through the info once again. Select the type of battle and on the next page tap on fight. You can also edit your team before you fight or load your presets if you've got one, and tap on fight, and you will then be able to join into multiplayer mode in Mortal Kombat. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.